Have humans been monitored by aliens for a long time? Just like we watch animals in the zoo, why don't they ever contact us? In science fiction movies, aliens are mostly portrayed as villains who launch wars against humanity to seize Earth's resources. But it could also be that they are afraid of contacting with us. If aliens have been observing Earth since its creation, they would see human destructive power, including deforesting and polluting the environment. There are countless war records showing how humans constantly tried to kill each other. It is estimated that nearly 1 billion people died in wars throughout history. Therefore, from an alien perspective, humans seem like an extremely violent and terrifying species, which is why they did not want to contact us. But does extraterrestrial civilization really exist? The possibility is very high. Regarding the existence of extraterrestrial of foreign race can explain this. In our Milky Way galaxy alone, there are about 3 trillion sun-like stars, and within the observable universe, which has a diameter of at least 460 billion light-years, the total number of galaxies reaches at least 1,000 billion or more. The number of stars even exceeds the total number of all sand grains. That means that the number of planets similar to Earth is unimaginably large. Even if there is only a small chance that highly developed intelligent civilizations will emerge on these planets, over such a vast base, many civilizations similar to ours will inevitably appear. And during the 13.8 billion year history of the universe, there must be civilizations that predates humanity by millions or even hundreds of millions of years. So they must have mastered interstellar travel long ago. Think about the pace of human technological development over 100 years. According to Fermi's paranoia, civilizations that have mastered interstellar travel could colonize the entire Milky Way galaxy in just millions of years. If this is true, aliens might have already discovered us. They just haven't contacted us or are unwilling to contact us. We are just one among countless life forms they have seen. Moreover, there is a huge gap between our civilizations. Would humans try to communicate with a group of ants on the roadside? For higher-level aliens, we might be nothing more than simple ants. Not coming to disturb or harm us is already their greatest goodwill. The gap between civilizations also makes it difficult for us to communicate with aliens. For example, if the ants tried to communicate with us in their own way, we might never notice it. There might even be communication barriers between aliens and us. They might not know that we want to contact them at all. Besides that, there is another interesting theory called the laboratory hypothesis. Humans are actually alien experiments trapped within the solar system by the aliens. We don't find aliens because they don't want us to find them. They have locked off all the galaxies around Earth, forming a wall. We can't get out, but they can come in. They have been studying us, observing every move we make. As for why we haven't found aliens yet, there are many theories, such as the Black Forest Law. It believes that aliens are cruel, comparing the universe to a dark forest where all civilizations strive to hide themselves from being discovered by other civilizations. Famous physicist Hawking has also expressed this view multiple times. Do not respond to any signals in the universe. If aliens suddenly come to Earth, how should we respond? Scientists believe that aliens may be similar to Earth's creatures, consisting of proteins and DNA, so their appearances could be terrestrial creatures similar to humans, or of course, they could also resemble other animals on Earth. Before we can figure out their intentions, the first thing we should do is to remain calm and not act rashly. Countries around the world will join hands to quickly assess the threat level of alien spacecraft, gather top talents and experts from various industries worldwide, attempt to communicate with aliens, and determine whether the purpose of aliens coming to Earth is goodwill or malice. Since they can come to Earth, it indicates that they possess the technology for interstellar travel in the universe. The nearest star to us is 4.2 years away, and it will take hundreds of thousands of years for the fastest human spacecraft to get there. Therefore, their technological level is not on the same level as ours at all. If they just want to eliminate humans, dominate our Earth's resources, humans may be completely powerless. It's impossible to do as described in science fiction movies. All of humanity come together to wreak havoc, ultimately repelling the aliens. It would be a piece of cake for them to eliminate humans on Earth. So the purpose of extraterrestrials visiting Earth would largely be well-intentioned. Perhaps the aliens are just passing by. In the future, there is a possibility of establishing good interstellar relations with us. It could also be that they have predicted that humanity is facing a crisis of some kind, and they are here to warn or caution that anything is possible. However, before that, we should work harder to develop our technology. In the vast universe, crises will always exist. Only when our technology is advanced enough can we have a greater chance of controlling our destiny.